Good morning, good life. Welcome to my vehicle. Yes, it is on. Yes, it is warmer that way. I have a little bit of a jaunt of errands and things to do this afternoon, so I thought I would bring you with me. First, I am heading to get my eyebrows done, which is why they kind of look done, but not really. That's the magic of microblading, but I didn't fill them in because I am going to get them completely done. Once a month I go in to do a tint and wax, but last time we tried something new and I think we're doing it again this time, called brow lamination. So anyway, it was like kind of wild but kind of awesome, and so I'm definitely looking forward to having it done again, just to like make sure that I like it and see if it's actually going to be a part of my new brow routine. Hopefully I'll be able to show you a little bit of that. After that, I'm running to the office to do a little live stream action. Everybody's home today working. It was kind of iffy with the roads this morning, so I told everybody to stay home until the afternoon, and then ultimately it just didn't make sense to have anybody on the roads at all, but the roads downtown seem to be fine, so I'm going in. I figured, why not live stream in my office with nobody in it? Yeah, I left my wreath at the storage unit, so I need to go get that because it seems like the Christmas tree doesn't count if there's not a wreath on my front door, except for the Christmas tree looks so good now that it's up. But anyway, just a number of things running around. I'm gonna go pick Lucy up from daycare. Vinny took her this morning because she was driving me crazy. I guess that's what I get for not letting her go for a couple of days. She, like the whole weekend, and then yesterday she didn't go, so she starts to get a little stir crazy when she hasn't gotten enough exercise, and quite frankly, I'm not gonna give her very good exercise because it's snowy and gross outside. And so she wouldn't even enjoy it if we did it. So that's what's going on. I'm gonna head out. Let's do it.
Yeah, when I look at them, I don't feel like you need to do another one right now. They're still straight.
Okay.
You know, when I first started doing it, it was so new. You were one of my first.
Yeah. Guinea pig.
Right? Mm-hmm. So I didn't know then that you don't necessarily need to do it monthly.
Yeah. Okay, so they're still good, then we don't have to laminate today.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is really good for both of us because, you know, you'll save a little bit of money today.
Yes. It's that time of year.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
And you don't need it, and it would be overkill, and I don't want them to see damage.
It's funny because I was like looking at myself with no makeup on, and I'm like, my brows look done all the time. Like, all the time. Microblade with Ryan, it is the best. It is the best. So yeah, the lamination was just like a fun experiment. We'll try it, maybe do it like
next time we can do it.
Time. Yeah.
Well, I think you should do it. I love it. I still love doing it. It's my favorite new service there.
Is everyone loving it?
Yeah, everyone's loving it.
Oh my god, it's great.
Are you ready for Christmas?
In theory, yes. Yes, there's a lot going on, but yeah, I'm ready for it to come. I put my tree up. I literally just put my tree up. I wasn't sure I was going to.
Are you a white light? Are you a colored light?
I am a white light, gold and silver, and a little bit of brown with the decor. Very, very like the same every year with my artificial tree, and I love it. I'm so excited to get it up. I was like, I'm really not gonna have a tree this year just because the book took up too much time? Mm-hmm. No. This is my favorite part.
Chin up, babe. I may call you babe without being
That's
sexist.
okay. I give you permission to call me babe.
Thank you.
I'm not gonna let anybody tell me otherwise.
I try to be mindful. I call guys babe too. To the guy that owns the loft next to me. Mm-hmm. He's like, hey Ryan. I'm like, hey babe, what's up?
What's up,
like,
babe?
I said the same thing, like, if I may call you babe.
Just like, we're friends like that.
Yes. Alright, we're just going to process for a few minutes.
Processing, like a YouTube video, but better.
So if we can make the video about me for just 1 second to show off his brow here. So
we can. We can do whatever you like.
Right. Amy did, she's a longtime microblade client, one of my originals, and she did what's called a brow lamination a month ago. Mm-hmm. And it's something you do every other time, about every 8 weeks or so. But I just want to show, like, she doesn't even need one today. She can brush up her brow hairs here to make them look fuller, and they're just all still perfect.
Love it.
And they align beautifully.
Yes. I do, like, where do you think I'm at with the microblade situation though? Like, do I
think you're at that place where they still look good.
Yeah.
You're ready kind of when you want, but it's not
sometimes I'm like, I need it, and then other times I'm like, no, I don't.
Yeah,
I don't need the refill.
It's always after you get your touch up and stuff, and now that the lamination, that wakes up the microblade.
Yes, it does.
All right, she's an old pro.
I don't have feelings anymore.
I never had them, so.
I wish. I started spontaneously crying in the car on the way here, so that's really not true.
Right. I really, I have emotions, I have the feelings just after 6 o'clock.
We hold it in until then.
Right.
Very professional.
Someone actually said to me once, she goes, I want to be just like you, no feelings. I was like, God. And that's when I actually told her, I was like, I do have feelings just past 6 o'clock.
Yeah. Like, oh, is that my brand? No feelings?
Yes,
interesting.
right.
By the way, kind of loud in here, but we talked a lot about microblading on the podcast. I forgot to mention that. Ryan's actually been on detail therapy, so if you're interested in that, we talked about that in like great detail. So I know some people just don't even know what it is, so that would be a really good way for you to brush up on that. Brush up.
Brush up.
Brush up.
Good timing. My smart, talented, and beautiful friend.
You are too much. That's my holiday gift, right?
I'm like, it's Christmas
Unlimited
time.
compliments.
It's Christmas time.
I'm gonna get my beauty blender out because I gotta do a live stream soon.
I did bring my makeup back in to cover you up.
Oh, sweet.
And there you are. So when I see your brows like this today, I don't think
I know,
you're ready
it's
for your
like, I don't need
microblading.
anything. The tint, like,
Yeah.
the tint helps
It helps because
so
you have
much.
hairs pretty much everywhere you're supposed to. You're just a little sparse.
Yeah.
Versus somebody that has nothing, then that needs to be touched up a little bit more.
Right. I'm more likely to just get like a ton of sprouts. Like,
Yeah.
hey, we want to join this really fun party that's going on over here. But you can't because you're not in the right spot. All right, Ryan. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
They look good. They look good. I'll leave details for Ryan in the description just in case you in Columbus. When you're coming to Columbus,
Yes.
you go see Ryan for your brows, honey.
Ryan does my brows.
Ryan does my brows.
Bye-bye. Yeah. Make sure you edit me to look beautiful and thin.
Okay. Okay, beautiful. Bye. It's so weird not having anybody here, but I'm turning the light on just for me. About to go live to Shine Squad. Very exclusive group of people that I'm gonna chat with for a little while and then get some work done in a very quiet space while I can. Good morning, good life. I am starting a new day in the middle of another vlog because that's just how this is all working out. And also I'm just trying to stand next to my tree anytime I can. It is so gloomy outside and freezing, but I'm actually leaving. I'm running late for a meeting. I am on the Central Ohio Transit Authority board and we have a board meeting today. So that's what I'm gonna be doing this morning before I kick off a typical work day. So I'm trying to bring you along for that while not getting distracted. I have very important duties. Can't get distracted.
What do you guys think? Why are you facing the couch?
I have a feeling a beagle ran into you.
Oh, the LEDs.
Morning, how are you guys? Good. Thanks. Fast board meeting today, which is great because I have so much other stuff to do. Also, I have to like put down an idea that happened at the board meeting before I forget. I try to like, if I'm supposed to do something, especially at like an extracurricular thing like that, that's not a part of business, it's not really being tracked to my project manager. If I need to do something and it's all kind of the inspiration of the moment, if I have time, I need to like get it done because my next committee meeting is in January and the next board meeting is probably January, February. It's like, I'm not gonna remember what I was supposed to do. I'm not gonna do as good of a job getting it out of my head if I wait to procrastinate at the last minute on a particular subject matter that is not like my full-time job, like I said. So gotta do that. This one, are you feeling better?
I still have very little voice.
He has no voice, and he's not using any projection whatsoever to emphasize the fact that he has no voice. But you're gonna finally go back to the office today? Good, because we're out of the office all next week for the holidays. You gotta check on everybody, make sure they're doing their job, boss.
I'm watching Star Wars tonight
Why?
because it comes out tonight,
Oh, you have plans tonight.
1 a.m.
Somebody needs to go to work then, because if you don't go to work in school, you can't do your fun things in the evening. I don't know if I said this, but last night we also got around to sending our family holiday card, which is nice. Amazing that I could get that printed in a very short period of time and get it to our house so that I could send it out so that hopefully by the time we get to Connecticut, all the families already gotten our holiday card because it's like so embarrassing if that comes after Christmas. No, that's not how we do things. So that's the vlog for today. I'm just gonna start vlogging again right after this because it's Vlogmas. Drink every time I say vlog. I think that's it. I'll see you on the next one. That's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate it as always. Make sure you subscribe for good vibes. Kiss ones you love. And go after the life that you want. Cheers. Hey, are you struggling to find time for the things you love? Feel like you're constantly on the go, but taking care of everyone else first? You are not alone, and you deserve so much more. Not only are you capable of taking on this challenge, you already have all the tools it takes to make it happen. That resourcefulness is all you need to get activated by your new daily mantra. Good morning, good life. It's my new book, and it launches on Amazon on December 10th. More details at goodmorninggoodlife.com. Copyright music for the win.
I was just thinking that. Yeah.
I didn't hear it until just now, but it's lurking everywhere.